As you're probably aware, Motorcheck.ie have some fantastic offers for trade users. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how a trade user might access our car history applications. So to get access to your account, you come to the home page and click on Trade Users in the top navigation. Then enter your user ID and password in the box provided. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to your dashboard, which has all of the applications that Motorcheck has active for you. If we click into car history, you'll see that this particular dashboard has all of the previous reports that you've run on Motorcheck and a quick overview as to any serious problems that a car may have, whether it's been imported, written off, reported stolen, previously used as a taxi, has finance outstanding, or potentially been clocked. To get a new report, you come to the Enter Reg box, enter the registration number of a car. This is any car registered in Ireland or the UK. Click on the report that we want. For this example, I'm going to click on a history check, enter an odometer reading, select whether it's the actual reading if you have visibility of the car or simply a best guess, and then click Get Report. As you can see, it only takes seconds for Motorcheck to generate the report, and you'll get a quick overview of all of the individual aspects that Motorcheck has become famous for. If you have any questions on getting access to a new trade account, topping up your account, or having some of our other applications activated, please contact us on 01 883 9230, where we'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks for using Motorcheck, and we hope to see you soon.